The OnePlus Concept One smartphone was unveiled at CES 2020. Its unique feature is the color shifting glass technology at the back, which we'll talk about in a bit. But before we begin, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already and hit the bell icon so you know when we post a new video. So is OnePlus Concept One worth the hype? Let's take a quick look to find out. The OnePlus Concept One looks pretty similar from the front, featuring a curved AMOLED panel that's also found on the OnePlus 7T Pro. But it's the back where we start to see the changes. OnePlus has once again collaborated with McLaren for creating the OnePlus Concept One. OnePlus claims that this phone is the first ever to use color shifting glass technology. This allows it to change transparency, which can be used for cool effects such as hiding the rear cameras completely. So how did OnePlus achieve this? The company said the glass of the OnePlus Concept One uses organic particles to create changes in transparency. This allows the glass covering the camera lenses to shift in an instant from opaque to transparent. The glass also doubles as a built-in polarizing filter for the camera. OnePlus claims this will allow users to achieve sharper, more finely detailed shots under strong light. It takes less than a second for the glass to transition from solid black to fully clear, OnePlus claims. Other than the invisible cameras, the rear of the phone is covered in a leather material in the signature papaya orange shade of McLaren. Now, unlike the previous collaborations between OnePlus and McLaren, which includes the OnePlus 6T McLaren Edition and the OnePlus 7T Pro McLaren Edition, the OnePlus Concept One is just a concept. In simple terms, the company doesn't intend to sell it to the consumers. However, there's a good chance that this color shifting glass might show up in some future phone. For all the hype OnePlus tried to generate around the Concept One, it turned out to be quite an underwhelming announcement. Xiaomi and Vivo have shown some ridiculously cool concept phones in the past, and I hope the next concept phone from OnePlus is more exciting. Thanks for watching, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.